What's the meaning of butter? Butter. Butter.
Butter. Butter. Butter is a food ingredient that is commonly used in cooking and baking. It is made by churning cream or milk until the fat solids separate from the liquid, resulting in a smooth, spreadable substance with a rich, creamy flavor. Butter can be used for frying, sautéing, or as a topping for bread, vegetables, or other foods. It can also be used as a base for sauces and gravies. Due to its high fat content, butter is considered a calorie-dense food and should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Overall, butter is a versatile and delicious ingredient that adds flavor and richness to many dishes.